Alright guys, let's go camping. Ay hindi pala. Punta tayo sa Alma, New Brunswick. Right. With Mama, Liam, and Wancho. I think Wancho is sleeping. Right. Right, punta tayo sa Alma, New Brunswick. Ano bang pupuntahan natin doon? Nature, magne-nature trip tayo. Tapos meron tayong pupuntahang restaurant. Dati yung nag-drive sa Amazon driver, so restaurant na yun, tingnan natin. Let's go! Ganda nga ng panahon ngayon. Right, tumigil muna tayo saglit kasi picture pa sila. Mga nagkakayak dun eh. Nice.
Meron tayo pwedeng babaan din na dad.
Tingnan natin.
Dad, nagagalit na siya.
Yan, okay lang yan. Okay, tumigil muna tayo saglit. At para mag-stretch si baby. Kailangan niya mag-stretch. Parang a lake. Wancho! Kunin natin yung ano niya. Para nakaupo siya.
Nagagalit na siya.
Ha?
Hindi pa tapos kumain to.
Wancho! Oh, para magdede siya.
Ang bawa ng kamay niya.
Huh?
Ang bawa ng kamay niya.
Check natin yung ating mga gulong. Yan naman. We're good. Alright. Punta dito, tahimik lang. Saan? Tracy Lake. Ah, semento naman ah. Saan papunta yan? Trail yan eh.
Ayun, dad, tingnan mo yung map dyan.
Ah, yun oh, papunta ron oh. This one?
Ayun, dad, tingnan mo.
Ay. Hindi ka nagdala ng extra gatas.
Layo naman ng chair niya.
Layo ng chair. Magte-trail ka papunta ron.
Hindi, ito.
Oo nga. Hindi, yan ang specs. Specs yan. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan. So yung chair nandun. Kung nandito ka, layo yan. Alright, baby Wancho is strolling. Hello.
Ang ganda pag dito ko nag-camping. Oh.
Pwede rin pala boat rentals. Camping din ba?
Oo.
Oh, pwede rin pala mag-camping.
Tapos kalapit mo lang lake.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Pwede rin.
Hindi ka na nahirapan sa travel.
Yeah. Pwede ka rin mag-kayak.
Left onto New Brunswick 114 East.
Wait. May initan si baby. Electric pan niya.
May paan.
Huh? Okay.
Pero yun ako buhay. Baby. Pancha! Baby!
Ha? Tama-tama, magsisiyar ako. Oh. Laglag. Laglag na naman yung dede ng baby. Nalaglag yung dede niya. Trail. All right. On the trail. Ganda. Dito? Tara. Saan tayo? Dun. Let's go. Here. Here. Sa may bato. Alright. Welcome to Alma. Nice. Well, andito na tayo sa Alma. It's just a small village.
Ito yung bahay mo na doon, nasa corner. Nasa corner ng ano.
Ito yung Alma Lobster. Alma Lobster.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Alright. Okay guys, we're here. Okay. Saan tayo? Nandito na tayo sa Alma. Then we will eat to this restaurant, Octopus Garden Cafe. Wow. Yan. Kilala natin ng may-ari dyan. So, tara, bisitahin natin. Hello. Oh. Wawa naman ng baby. Ang daming dandruff eh. Tignan ko sa loob. Okay. It's Joel's there? Yeah. It's William's here. Yeah. You can here. Tayo para. Nice. Nako, pili na. Nice place. Oh, you have Okay.
Work for the waitresses and stuff, you know, whatever. Like right now, I have to get it organized with them, but yeah, we get together with friends, play music all the time.
It's good.
Yeah, that's a nice spot.
Oh. Oo nga. Ano? Ano? Oh? May lawa. Diba? Ganda. Right, the food is here. Damn. Alright, dumating na ang food. Tignan nyo naman. See that food? Nice. Nice. That is, what is the name? Korean, this one is, ano to, Korean, ultimate Korean. Alright, ultimate. This one is kimchi, right? And wow, Korean. It's good. It's good. Nice. One choice there. One choice. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Are we alright?
Yeah. Scallops.
You say it's gone?
Huh?
It's gone.
Yeah, it's great.
The kimchi you make it homemade?
No, I have somebody make that for us. It's really good kimchi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kimchi's good, like when you fry it and you scramble eggs with it. I love that in the morning. It's so good. You should eat hers much. It's good for the gut. It's good for your digestive system.
I was fixated on the bones. She didn't see that on the picture. I didn't see it.
Oh, easy.
Hey, what are you doing there?
Every day, all the time. About 70 portions every day.
You're doing the pasta, though?
Oh. Every day.
Nice.
Yeah. So we just dry it and then we cut it.
You're doing the first pasta, huh? Wow.
Yeah. Every day. 70 portions. That's like.
Good.
Yeah.
The Korean bowl is good.
Yeah. You have to come for dinner sometime.
I thought we will eat fish and chips here, but I think
Yeah.
because every
worried
place
about
you will
that.
go, like every community we're going, like fish and chips, chowder. We are looking for rice.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to try the chowder here one time though, because
Yeah.
it's Thai curry chowder with rice in it.
With rice also.
Yeah.
Where is she? She's still enjoying the place.
Yeah, great.
Alright. We just finished lunch. Masarap ba yung pagkain natin? Sarap, yes. We have a very, very great food. Wancho, where's Wancho? Yan si Wancho. Yan. Octopus Garden Cafe. Alright. So, daan muna tayo dito sa souvenir shop. Siyempre, kailangan natin kumuha ng souvenir. Ayan ang moose. Sa lahat ng place na pinupuntahan natin, kailangan natin ng souvenirs. Let's go! Sana may alma mater. Huh?
I need to eat it.
Dito tayo sa gas station. Daming tao. Saan to? Ah.
Dito ka pa umutot tayo.
Ang daming tao sa labas.
Mamaya dito.
Hindi. Alright. Pauwi na tayo. Hindi. Nice view. Uwi na tayo, pero magsisiyar muna tayo. Okay. So, we're going back home. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami and yun. Nag-explore lang kami ng ilang place sa Alma. And then we will go back here on fall. Balik tayo dito sa fall, mas marami ng dahon. Alright. Abis. May ang kulit ng zesty. Ano yung isa? Zesty?
Sino to?
No, zesty lang. Ay yung yung hatiin mo lang yung carrot. Nakapikit si baby? Ha? Ay hindi. Wag yung icing naman, ayoko ng icing.
Masarap yung icing.
Bilisan mo ah.
Yuck.
Nom nom nom.